You want to look stylish, but you don't have a lot of clothes. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Nina. I post all things Morena beauty, style tips like this one, and simple life hacks to be a better you. So if you like what you see so far, please consider subscribing by hitting that red subscribe button down there, as well as the bell button, so that you're notified whenever I have a new video that comes up. So, ang dami mong nakikitang fashion influencers, bloggers, mga artista, ang gaganda ng damit nila and they look so stylish. And gusto mo rin maging stylish, kaya lang tumingin ka sa cabinet mo and wala kang masyadong nakitang mga damit. So, you're thinking, how can I be stylish if I don't have so much clothes? So, today, I'm gonna let you know how you can look stylish even if you don't have so much clothes. The number one tip is mix and match. So, mix and match natin tong tatlong to. I'm sure you have a white shirt naman, diba? And you have some jeans. So now, kung itong tatlo lang meron ka, you can create like 4 or 5 looks with this 3. Tapos samahan mo na rin ang accessories later. So, kunyari, ito. You have this dress on its own. Diba? Jeans and shirt, and then yung shoes, nice shoes lang, and then mag-accessories ka lang. Maganda na to. And then you can put the dress over the shirt. So, another look na naman yan. Another way is this one. So, tali mo yung dress mo here on this side. And then yan, ibang look na naman. So yeah, mix and match because there's so many ways to combine your clothes. Maraming combinations kang magagawa sa 3, 4, 5 clothes. And especially kapag in-accessorize mo pa. The next one is accessorize your outfit. Okay, let's take the simple dress and accessorize it, okay? Just by adding this necklace, the look is gonna be totally different. And then we can add a belt as well. So this is the look, totally different from yung plain dress lang, diba? Pero you wouldn't know na yun pala ulit yung dress na yun. So ngayon, let's try and accessorize it again. Ito. So just take any accessories you have or lying around. Kasi it's gonna work. Oh, diba? So you have the same dress, but you accessorize it differently. So parang ibang look na naman siya. And then you can play with your hair also para ibang itsura na naman niya. Add pa tayo. Pwede ka rin mag-add ng hat. Yan, iba na itsura, diba? Yun lang nagagawa ng accessories. Okay, one more. And some earrings this time. Yan. Okay, so how are we gonna make this different pa? Lagyan natin ng scarf. Diba? So one dress, we created 3 different looks just by using accessories. You just have to be creative with your accessories. And then the next one is really buy neutral. So if you're gonna shop for clothes, buy neutral colors because neutral colors, you can wear them over and over again. And it's easy to accessorize and it's easy to mix and match. I'm actually controlling myself from buying like bright printed colors because I'm always attracted to prints and bright colors. So that's my teenage self coming out. Yeah, whenever I see something bright, I'm really attracted to it. So I'm trying to control myself, and this time I'm really trying to invest in basics and I'm investing in quality and neutral colors and something that I can wear over and over again for a long period of time. I want to save some money and I want to save the planet. See, I still have my bright pink there. Pero hindi siya printed. From time to time, I can have that bright pieces. The next one, it's another thing that we can do. It's clothes exchange or clothes swap. One way of refreshing your wardrobe is to parang exchange clothes with your friends, or if you have a sister. I'm glad that I have 2 sisters, so we share clothes. So medyo lumalaki, nag-expand yung wardrobe ko kasi I can borrow. Okay, those are the clothes that Chris is borrowing.
By Smile Like Mia. I'm so excited.
Another way of expanding your closet is repurposing your clothes. For instance, a denim jacket. Pwede mo siyang gawing shorts, or pwede mo rin siyang gawing vest. Or if you have a dress that you've worn so many times, maybe you can make that into a skirt. Nakasave ka na and may bago ka pang susuotin. So another one is a capsule wardrobe. What it is you have a wardrobe for every season. So one for summer, one for spring, spring, one for fall if there's fall in where you are, then one for winter. For instance, for summer, you just have this set of clothes for summer, and then when spring comes or when winter comes, you put this in a box, keep it away until summer comes back again, and then here comes your winter wardrobe. And then I would say rental fashion also. Kaya lang, of course, there's COVID. Before COVID, pwede pang mag-rent. Like, especially kapag, kunyari, pupunta ka ng awards, tapos one time mo lang susuotin yung gown. Pero it's not worth it to buy like a 5,000 dirhams gown. Parang mas okay if you just rent it. And before the pandemic, that industry was kind of growing actually. Pero ngayon, there's a pandemic. Everybody's very concerned with, you know, hygiene. So I don't think rental fashion is gonna fly. So yeah, just wanna add that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm gonna make more fashion videos on how we can save and still look stylish, kasi I'm in that position right now where, you know, I cannot really buy a lot of clothes or expensive clothes because, you know, I'm out of job. Kailangan nating mag-budget. I think my fashion now is more on the sustainable side, trying to look for ways and think of ways on how to look stylish on a budget. Kasi I know all of us are in this situation right now na we're trying to save. And I think there's a way naman eh. There's a way to be stylish, look classy, even if you're not gonna spend so much dollars or dirhams. Okie dokie, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now, keep smiling.